Today we are exploring Riverside Drive. This is a charming neighborhood that gives you the best of both worlds, nature and convenience. Come with me. So today we will be touring 3 different properties in Riverside Drive for you to get a feel of what Riverside has to offer. We'll show you the Kofici office space to give you a feel of what the commercial space has. And then we'll be touring 2 residential properties in Riverside Drive. They have 2 different styles depending on what you prefer. One is a mid-century, modern, charming, cozy look. And the second one is a modern, contemporary look. So come with us and see what Riverside has to offer. So this is a location that works for a wide variety of people. Whether you are living alone or you are a family, you'll be able to get an ideal property for you. So what are some of the benefits of living in Riverside? Number 1, it's a diplomatic hub. Riverside is the home to the Ugandan Embassy, the Netherlands Embassy, and the German Embassy. So that means that you are in a safe and desirable area. Riverside is very centrally located and it's a mixed-use area, so you get some retail, you get some commercial, you get some residential. So it's a place that will really plug in the live, work, play philosophy. Going to work, going to school, and going to your recreational activities will be very, very easy. Riverside has a multicultural community with people of different lifestyles, different ages, different cultures, and it's a place where when you live, you'll get to interact with different people and you'll be at home living here. The social amenities in Riverside are also amazing. They are of a high quality international standard. We have Riverside Square, which is a mixed-use development and has a retail aspect to it. Riverside has the best breakfast spots in town. There's Le Granier, there's the Brioche, there's Art Cafe, and there's Connect Coffee. And in all these places, you can get a good ambience, you can get a day to unwind, and you have all this literally steps away from your house. It offers you high convenience and a high walkability scale because you can walk anywhere. There's also the Arboretum, which is just a walking distance for you from Riverside Drive. So you can go there. It opens at 6 a.m., closes at 6 p.m. So whether you are a morning person or an evening person, you can do a walk, you can do a jog and get to enjoy nature. And most importantly, Riverside has high quality real estate. When you come to Riverside, you'll get a variety of properties based on your needs, whether you're looking for a townhouse, a 1-bedroom, 2-bedroom, 3-bedroom, you're living alone, or you have a family, or you're a couple. Whatever your style is, you're able to get high quality real estate in Riverside. And that is both for residential and commercial. Today we are at Kofici, which is a shared working space, bespoke, and we'll be talking to Georgia. We're in the Riverside Square branch, and we'll be talking to Georgia about living and working in Nairobi and the services that Kofici has to offer. It's a customer-centric and hospitality-led brand, ideal for clients looking to set up in Nairobi, especially if you're a multinational and you'd like a plug-and-play service in Nairobi. This would be good for you. What makes Riverside and Westlands? Because I consider them to be kind of one hub.
Sure.
And you have different branches in these 2 areas, plus Upper Hill. But what makes Westlands and Riverside an attractive place to work in?
I think, Wendy, the thing about Westlands and Riverside is that not only are they great for business, but they've also got lots of fantastic kind of residential areas. They've got great schools. I live in Westlands. My kids go to two different schools actually, but both kind of located in Westlands. And they're both Riverside neighbourhoods and Westlands neighbourhoods within very easy access of each other. And we've noticed a real change actually from, the 7 years since I arrived here, a real switch for businesses to kind of really want to set up here. It's a real hotspot.
And how is the community like in Kofici? Like, who are your clients in terms of demographic, industry?
Oh, we look after all sorts, a real mixed bag. We have some very large corporate multinational companies, a lot of tech, we've got a lot of NGOs from overseas, and then a lot of businesses, kind of local businesses as well. I mean, they range from, lawyers, accountants, and it's mainly people who are looking for, as you say, a kind of plug and play for our private offices, but also for larger companies who really want to have a kind of impact on the design of their office space. So our designers work with their corporate office and create the kind of spaces that they want. Some of these MNCs want 3 meeting rooms inside their space, they want a reception, they might want their own kitchen, and we work with them to kind of create, things are changing, and you can do something like add a quality environment, work environment like Kofici to the sort of ecosystem of Nairobi, and you're really changing the way things are happening. And that's what I think is exciting here. It feels all sort of slightly done and dusted elsewhere, whereas here, buildings are going up, the concerts are happening, the food is great, the restaurants are superb, top notch.
So this is a place that gives you really a modern lifestyle that is in a multicultural community that you'll really enjoy being here, living here and investing here. We have a variety of investment opportunities for you. Visit uptownrealty.co.ke.